Welcome to today's tutorial. What we're going to be doing today is quite simple. We're just going to go through how assets work in Antly. The first thing to do is to click on Assets in the main menu, and then we're going to create a category. So the first thing we'll do is create a category called laptops as an example. I'm going to create another one called cranes, just showing the versatility of Antly. Under the assets, I forgot to add pictures. You can add a picture to just make it a bit clearer what you need to do. So you click on that. I'm going to add a picture for the cranes as well. Do that. All right. So once we've added those pictures, the next thing we need to do is to not sure why this is taking. Yeah. The next thing we need to do is to start creating the assets under each of them. To create an asset is quite straightforward. Again, just register an asset. You can add an image of the asset itself. So what happens is it overrides the category. But in this case, I'm just going to create a category, or just going to create the asset, without adding any image. So we can click on laptops. Normally, once we've customized the settings for each category, they come up here. But for this tutorial, we're just going to leave that blank, and we'll capture that in a different, tutorial. So now I'm going to make it very simple. Just call it part 1. We'll call it HP Elite Book. Yeah, just leave it like that. I'm going to leave the manufacturer empty since it's not compulsory. I'll leave all of this empty and then just go to save. And yeah, that's pretty much it for creating an asset.